All right, let's talk about something that sounds super boring but is actually hilarious. Accounting. No, stay with me. I want you to meet my friend Barry. Barry is a great guy. He can tell you every line from every 80s movie. He makes a killer grilled cheese, but put him in front of a cash register, it's a total disaster. It's like watching a puppy try to solve a Rubik's Cube. It's cute, it's confusing, and you know it's not going to end well. Barry's first day at the local coffee shop was, let's just say, legendary. He was so excited, he had the little apron on and everything, he was ready. By the end of his shift, his boss, a very serious woman named Carol, came to count the drawer. She stared at the cash, then she stared at the computer report, then back at the cash. She had this look on her face, you know the one? Like she just saw a squirrel trying to pay with a nut. Carol looked at Barry and said, "Barry, the register says we should have $500. We have $520. Where did this extra $20 come from?" Barry just shrugged and said, "Bonus?" Carol did not laugh, not even a little. The next day he was short $15. It was a roller coaster of cash. Poor Barry, he couldn't figure it out. One day he'd have too much money, like he'd secretly won a tiny lottery. So your drawer is off. What do? Time to put on your detective hat. The first thing you always do is recount. Count it again. Count it a third time. It's amazing how often the mistake was just in the counting itself. Maybe you were tired. Maybe you were distracted by a customer. Your brain can just skip a number. Take a deep breath. Put everything in neat piles. Count again, slowly. The missing 20 might be stuck under another pile. If recounting doesn't fix it, look for a simple, obvious error. The most common one, a transaction was entered wrong. Check the last few sales. $10 typed as $1, that makes you over by $9. 5 typed as 50, that makes you short by $45. It's like replaying security footage. Often the clue is staring at you in the sales data. Next, check for misplaced bills. Classic Barry move. 20 in the 10 slot, 5 hiding with the ones. It's easy when you're in a hurry. Later you grab the wrong bill and poof, you're short $10. Go through each slot carefully. Ones with ones, fives with fives. Other bills with their stacks, like organizing a sock drawer, but costlier. All right, you've recounted, you've played detective, and the cash is still over or short. What now? Does the company just lose money? Does the cashier have to pay it back? Usually, for small amounts, the answer is no. This is where the accountants work their magic with the cash over and short account. Think of it as the company's official oops jar. It's a special expense account used to track these little discrepancies. It's a way to make the books balance without pretending the mistake never happened. Let's say at the end of the day, Barry's drawer is short by $5. The accountant can't just pretend the company has $5 that it doesn't, so they make an entry. They record the cash that came in, and then they record a $5 loss in the cash over and short account. It's categorized as a miscellaneous expense, like buying paper clips or coffee for the office. It tells the story, we earned this much, but we lost $5 somewhere along the way. It keeps the main cash account accurate, which is the most important thing. What if Barry is over by $20, like on his first day? You can't just pocket the extra cash. That's not how it works. That money is now technically the company's revenue. So, the accountant records an extra $20 gain in the cash over and short account. Over time, accountants look at this account. If it's always short, maybe there's a training issue. If it's always over, maybe there's a problem with the register. It's a tool for spotting patterns. The most important thing to remember is that this is normal. Everyone makes mistakes. The greatest athletes miss a shot. The best chefs sometimes burn the toast. And the most careful cashiers will every now and then give out the wrong change. It's part of being human. The cash over and short account isn't a wall of shame. It's a tool for learning. So don't panic like Barry. Breathe, check, and learn.